Dear all, welcome to Indian Concrete Institute Amravati Center. In this period of lockdown, it is suggested that we must utilize our time to develop our certain skill. So in this regard, looking towards the best utilization of time, ICI Amravati Center is now organizing a concrete knowledge test 2020. So this is the test open for all concrete lovers. Here you have to appear for online MCQ test based on basic of concrete and concrete properties only. Here all have to remember that reinforced cement concrete part is not included in this test. This is only based on basic concrete material, ingredients and their properties and concrete properties. The exam will be conducted on 3rd May 2020 by online mode. Student and all others have to make the registration at portal http://pvkexams.com. The exam will be of 45 minutes having 60 objective questions. The registrations now are open till 2nd May 2020. In this video, you can see now the demo for how the registration is done. You have to go to your Chrome browser. Open the Chrome browser on your mobile or laptop and go to the website, that is http://pvkexams.com. Click on go. The web page will now load into the browser. Here first the students have to register themselves. So now here for registration to this ICI test, you have to click on this button, that is join now. So by clicking on join now button, login page will open. So go to the register button and here you have to type your name and then you can register yourself. So for sample I am typing here as one of the name. This name you have to write down in capital. And here you have to type your email address. So here for sample I am putting here email address as then you have to write down your mobile number. Please remember that there should not be any error in the email address. So here now I have made it clear, pvkhandwe@gmail.com. Then I will put the mobile number. Then city here. and you can now sign up. So now you got email address at your email, so you can go to your email page and check your email. So there you will receive email address as a username and password. So here I will go for this email address. So you received this email. Now here it is given that your password is 863300. So you have to enter this now on login page. So you can go directly on by clicking on click here. So 863300 is my password, so that I will type on the login page of the portal. So here again the portal will now open. You can check your email address and mobile number, and you can click on the login page now. So here we will now go to the set password. Actually here now it is shown as login. Now you can go and check your login also. So here again we can go as for join now. In join now, then again login page will appear. Now here you can put your email address. And here password 863300. So here now you can click either remember and login. So now you are being logged in on the portal. So it is showing waiting signal, and now here you are login. So your name will appear here at the top, and here you can browse for the menu. You can update your profile. So there also you can enter your photograph, other important thing. And now you are now login here. Your name is appearing at the top, and now we will click on the join now. So here by clicking on the join now, you will go to the payment page. So here you have to now make the payment. So click on the process payment button. And now you can choose the any of the net banking method, and you have to make the payment. Now once this payment is done, now then you can again you have to go to the portal, and then the exam screen will appear. There you can start the exam. Now I will show you the what is the direct exam screen. I will not making here the payment. So we will directly go to the browser, and I will use other login username password, and I will make again login. So now this is already one of the paid user. So I will, so here if you are a paid user, then your button will appear as a start button. So now you can click on the start. So after making the payment, so these two tests are now open in your login. So you can try this test. These are the two tests for only 5 minutes. So you can just click one of the tests and that test will appear on your screen. You can click on the start exam button, and then after start exam button, the exam screen will open. Here you have to accept the terms and condition. You can read these terms and condition, and by clicking on the checkbox, and you can click on start button. So now here the exam now is been started. So you are getting here number of questions are there. You can click on particular number and then you can click the answer, and then you can save and next. So this way you have to solve all the questions. So you can navigate to the any of the questions here. Then you can pause the exam for some of the time. So that is, you can pause in between for 1 or 2 minutes. So your timer will stop here, and then at the end, after solving all the questions, you can view your answer sheet. So by clicking here, you can see the answer sheet and whatever the questions and answers you have given. So by clicking on this also, you can jump directly to the question on the screen. You can close this answer book, and then again you have to give the answers, and that way you can solve this exam. And after solving all this, then you have to submit that. So just I will here give the random answers now, and I will click on the save and next, save and next, save and next. And now all the questions I have solved, and now at last I will click on the exam finish exam button. Before that, you can also watch your question list. So here all questions are visible to you. Whatever the answers you have given, that also you can view here. Now unanswered question also you can understand here, that either you have marked that question or remaining or not, and mark question also you can view. So here, that way, after completing all the questions, so in the main exam 45 minutes are allowed and the 60 questions will be there. After that, you have to click on the finish exam. So once you have finished, then you have to write down some of the feedback, and then it will be closed, and now you can view the result on your email. So by clicking on that, you can leave this site, and the result will be known to you, that how much marks you have received. So this way you have to go and solve the exam, and at the end, at last, you have to log out here. So this way you have to appear for the Indian Concrete Institute Amravati Center organized concrete knowledge test, and there you can win the some of the exciting prizes are there. So I congratulate all the participants now, those who are registering and appearing for the examination from the ICAI Center Amravati. So thank you again. For any query, the numbers are given on the poster for the various faculties of the different colleges. So you can contact them and ask their queries, and the contact email address is also given on the website. So there also you can ask any queries. So thank you for this.